Hi friends, this video shows how to recharge MetaQuest 3 controller. So these are the MetaQuest 3 controllers. Let me check this controller. You can see actually MetaQuest is not provided any port to recharge this controller. So let me open this battery cover. We can press this battery release button to open this battery cover. See, there is a battery. Let me take this battery outside. Then let me check it. You can see this is a 1.5 volt AA battery, and this is not a rechargeable battery, hence we cannot recharge it. But we have one option. We can purchase a rechargeable battery and a battery recharger. So this is a Duracell rechargeable cell. It's 2500 mAh, and you can see actually this is only 1.2 volt. See, so let me try this battery rechargeable battery on this controller, and here I am using this Panasonic battery recharger. Let me insert this Duracell rechargeable battery in this controller. Okay, you can see the LED light here, that means that is working. Let me press this button and see here we can see the light, that means that is working. Let me try to close this cover, place this cover, then push. Done. So this way we can easily recharge and use this MetaQuest 3 controllers. So we have to purchase a rechargeable battery and a battery recharger. So I am using this Panasonic battery recharger and Duracell rechargeable battery. We can also purchase Sony rechargeable battery and this battery recharger. That also will work. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.